If you want to reply to birthday wishes on your Facebook timeline, this tutorial will show you the easiest way to find and respond to Facebook birthday posts quickly. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Look at the left corner. Tap on 3-line. After that, tap on the settings icon to open your Facebook settings. Here, scroll down a little and tap on Activity Log. Now, inside the activity log, tap on Your Facebook Activity. Tap on it. After that, scroll down and look for the Posts section. Expand it and then tap on See More. Here you'll be able to find posts that other people posts to your feed. Tap on it, including your Facebook birthday wishes. Simply open the birthday post that you want to reply to. Now tap on the 3 dots and select View Post. After that, scroll down to the comment section and easily reply to the birthday wish from there. That's basically how you can reply to birthday wishes on your Facebook timeline using the Facebook app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips and tutorials.